Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you are deep in the day-to-day of the gasoline and petroleum wholesaling business, then you know how complex, volatile, and fast-moving the supply chain really is. And lately, you've probably been hearing the buzz around generative AI. But let's get real, what does it actually do for folks like us? Specifically, how does it change the game when it comes to supply procurement and planning? Well, I've been digging into the research, industry reports, real-world use cases, and I can tell you it's more than just hype. Generative AI is starting to reshape how we operate at a fundamental level. Let's start with the basics. In our line of work, we're constantly juggling a mountain of transactions, vendor negotiations, price swings, delivery schedules, you name it. Generative AI helps by automating the routine stuff. Think purchase orders, invoice matching, even document handling. That might not sound flashy, but it frees up a ton of bandwidth for the team. We're talking fewer manual errors, shorter cycle times, and yes, real cost savings. But automation is just the starting point. What's really exciting is how AI brings intelligence into the mix. It gives us predictive insights that go way beyond what we could ever do manually. It can analyze massive data sets, sales histories, market trends, fuel pricing volatility, even things like weather patterns or geopolitical risks, and help us forecast demand more accurately than ever before. In a business where one bad bet on inventory levels can hit your margins hard, that kind of foresight is invaluable. And when it comes to supplier management, generative AI helps us see the full picture. It pulls data from contracts, supplier performance records, market news, social feeds, even regulatory filings. Then it pulls that into a single dashboard that doesn't just show us what's happening, it helps us understand what might happen next. I'm talking real-time risk alerts, predictive analytics that flag potential issues before they hit. It's like having a smart co-pilot watching your entire supply base 24/7. On the procurement side, AI is helping us rethink the entire process. From identifying purchasing needs to negotiating terms, it can recommend better timing for buys based on price forecasts, suggest alternate vendors if a disruption is looming, or even help us negotiate with stronger data in hand. It also strengthens demand planning. By combining historical sales data with external drivers like economic indicators or even local events, it can help us optimize inventory levels. That means fewer stockouts, less overstock, and way better working capital efficiency. When you layer in transportation logistics, it gets even better. Generative AI ingests real-time data like GPS, traffic, and weather. It can reroute shipments dynamically, optimize delivery schedules, and even reduce emissions by cutting idle time and unnecessary detours. That's a win for efficiency and for sustainability targets. Another area where AI shines, scenario planning. Think about refinery outages, port delays, regulatory changes, natural disasters. AI can run thousands of what-if simulations to help us prepare contingency plans before disaster strikes. Now, let me be clear, it's not all plug and play. Implementing AI takes work. You need clean, reliable data. You need systems that can talk to each other. And you need your people to be trained. Not just the IT folks, but the planners, buyers, and logistics teams who will actually use these tools. But the upside, it's huge. We're talking sharper demand forecasts, leaner, smarter inventories, faster procurement cycles, fewer disruptions from suppliers, more resilient delivery planning, and lower costs overall. And AI isn't just helping us operate more efficiently, it's giving us an edge in negotiations, a better grip on regulatory compliance, and actionable insights to move from reactive to proactive. Yes, there are challenges, data quality, system integration, change management, but they're surmountable. And from everything I've seen, the companies that lean into this now, they're going to be the ones who come out ahead, more resilient, more agile, and more profitable. So here's the big question. How fast can we, our people, our systems, our processes, adapt to this shift? Because the tech is ready. The opportunity is real. It's just a matter of whether we're willing to take the first step. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.